welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther Osuzua. I talk about skincare, acne journey, but I do hair, I do healthy eating. So if any of this sound interested to you, please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. If you find the video very helpful, please like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys again on my next video. Bye. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic. Now this is how I was able to cure my IBS all by myself. How I cure my constipation, my chronic constipation that has been lingering around all my life since I was a little child. But at the age of 18, my constipation got worse. At the age of 19, it just kept increasing and increasing to the point that I was hospitalized twice and I went into surgery to go remove my bowel blockage because I wasn't going. Everything was just piling up inside of me. So 2 years ago, a friend of mine introduced me to this way of life, this healthy eating. So 2 years ago, I started this journey, and I will say to you, since I've started this journey, I have never had no constipation. My constipation completely went into exile. Like, it just disappeared. With these, I'm able to go to toilet and do number 2, maybe like 3 to once a day. Like, I am so excited to be finally free from constipation. Now I'm gonna be doing my detox water. I make my smoothie every day. Before I started my health journey, this is what I did. I started doing my detox water every day. I started with lime, ginger, lemon, cucumber, and mint leaf and cilantro. Started putting all of these ingredients into my water. So I'm just showing you guys how I'm prepping all of these. This is a night prior to the time I'm going to use it in the next morning because I have to get up early in the morning. I have to be at my job very early and I might not have enough time to be prepping all of these, and that is why I am just prepping all of these overnight, and the next morning I will go ahead and put it in where it should be. So I am so thrilled to be showing you guys these amazing natural recipe that can literally save your life, that can literally improve your health. It can boost your metabolism, boost your immunity, and balance your alkaline, and the list goes on. So now this is the next morning. I am going to be putting all these colorful fruits, vegetables, berries into my smoothie cup. I make this smoothie every morning before I start my day. Since I have been doing this smoothie every morning, I can stay out for 13 hours all day long without having to get a coffee, without having to drink coffee. This is more like my coffee, my energy booster for the day, a natural energy booster without no coffee. Like, hey, I woke up in the morning full of energy, and also throughout the day full of energy, and when I come home I'm full of energy. Like, these have literally changed my life. And this is how I cure my constipation all by myself without no doctor telling me to do this or whatnot. My girlfriend introduced me to this life 2 years ago, and I fell in love with it, and my body fell in love with it, so I stick to it, and I decided to share my journey with you guys. That there is so much we can do for ourselves. There is so much we can do for ourselves. Little things that we take for granted, they can be really harmful to us. Before, I never knew that not able to go to toilet and do number 2 that it's bad for you. I thought it's just normal that if you don't go, you don't go. If you go, you go. I thought it was just normal. Not until when I get hospitalized for bowel blockage, before and I know that no, this ain't normal. This is no normal. Normal people are supposed to go every day, not once in a month or once in a week. No, that's not normal. So since I started my journey 2 years ago, I'm going every day and I'm saying to myself, wow, now this is a normal situation, or like once a week. That wasn't normal. I start to feel normal. I start to feel like a normal human being again. I feel so good. So I'm applauding you guys to do this. And I know a lot of people go through constipation and take a lot of softener, but yet never happens. So every morning I try to drink 1 glass of water. Every morning. It helps to start the process of cleaning inside. So I'm begging you people, please, do not take anything for granted. The fact that you don't have fever, the fact that you don't have high blood pressure, the fact that you don't see that you're sick, doesn't mean that you're not sick on the inside. A lot of aging sickness, they don't have no fever. A lot of chronic sickness, they don't have fever. When you are sick inside, you don't see it until you go to the hospital or until the whole thing get worse before you now know that you're sick. A lot of us worked out there. We are sick on the inside, but we don't know it. Now right now I'm adding my protein shake powder to my smoothie. This protein shake powder helps me to lose weight and to maintain my weight and to gain weight. 3-in-1 protein shake powder. All I did was just to put 1 teaspoon to 8 and blend it up. Now I'm finished and I'm gonna go ahead and put all the detox stuff into my gallon, and this is how creamy and delicious this smoothie is. Don't you want it? Don't you want it? I love it, and I'm advising, encouraging you guys to go on a health journey. Ever since I've been doing this, I've been able to correct a lot of health problems that I used to go on before, like health problems like arthritis. I used to have arthritis, but now my arthritis is gone. I used to have chronic constipation. Now my constipation is gone. I used to have horrible acne. Now my acne, it's gone. A lot, and the list goes on. Now I didn't slice my cucumber overnight because it will get soggy the next morning, because cucumber has a lot of water. So that's why I didn't slice it down overnight. But the rest that have the tendency to hold, I slice, and it makes things very easy for me to get ready in the morning. Just like if you don't have no time in the morning, get yourself ready before you go to bed. Like, invest on yourself. Invest time and money on your health, because it's very important we do so, and you are going to be saving yourself a lot of trips to the doctor. If you can just invest a little time and money on your health, imagine how much you can save on your health just by not going to your doctor or by not being on medication. Invest time and money on your health. Your health should be your number 1 priority in everything you do. You should have a health goal. How you want to feel like, how you want to be like when you retire. Because you don't want to go to school, study all the book in the world, get all the best job in the world, make all the money, and at the end of the day, you are all sick. You cannot enjoy yourself anymore. No, we need to change our view of health, our view of ourselves. We need to change it. We need to take care of ourselves. This you can take to anywhere you go to. You can drink it anywhere, and that's it. I'm showing you guys how I drink my water. This gallon contains 4 of these cup, and this is what I'm gonna do all throughout the day. Please invest time and money on your health. It's very important, very. And now I am constipation free. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope this video reach your heart, and I hope you will learn and do what you see, and I hope you will put it into practice. I am begging you people, being old, it's not fun. Left alone to be sick and old, it is terrible. You do not want that kind of life. Please take care of your health. It's very important. Thank you so much for watching. I am Esohe Osuzua, and I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Please, if you find this video very helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so. Okay? Stay blessed and stay healthy. Stay hydrated and stay out of trouble and stay out of corona way. Please go on a health journey and improve yourself. And I'll see you guys again on my next video. I love you all and talk to you guys later. Bye. Please, if you find this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and also comment down below what you're going to be doing next. And see you guys again on my next video. Have a good day.